Model, 2011 VAUXHALL Vivaro short wheelbase, diesel 2.0 CDTI Sportive Van 2.7t low mileage. Tears or repair. Body, silver, panel van. Mileage, 96,781. Engine, 1995 CCM9RA. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. The engine is 100%. The gearbox is stuck in gear, will need repairing or replacing. Well worth doing to get this back to how it should be. Open mouth smile. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition. Genuine honest work van. Features, 2 former keepers, part service history, electric windows, air con. EU state,